Imagine going from eating instant noodles 5 nights a week to earning over $1,000 weekly without a boss breathing down your neck or a business degree you'll never use. I did not win the lottery or sell my soul to a tech cult. I just got smart with AI. While my friends were binge-watching Netflix, I was binge-building income streams from my couch. No fancy startup funds, no coding wizardry, just me, my laptop, and a few digital robots doing all the grunt work. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is how I used AI to turn Wi-Fi into a paycheck. Step 1. Understanding the power of AI. Before we dive headfirst into the world of digital dollar making, let's take a moment to appreciate just how freakishly powerful AI really is. We're not talking about Terminator-style robots yet, but everyday tools that can work faster, smarter, and let's be honest, a lot cheaper than hiring a full-time employee. AI can write emails, blog posts, video scripts, and even catchy Instagram captions while you nap, snack, or scroll aimlessly. It can analyze more data in a second than most humans could in a week without melting their brains. From automating boring tasks like replying to emails to helping you create killer content with zero writer's block, AI has gone from being a tech buzzword to your new best business buddy. It's like having a 24/7 intern who doesn't sleep, complain, or steal your snacks. And trust me, once you see what AI can do, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Step 2. Identifying profitable niches. Step 2 in my AI-powered journey to $1,000 a week was all about picking the right niche, because trying to make money in the wrong niche is like trying to sell ice to penguins. I knew I needed to focus on areas where AI could actually flex its muscles and make a difference. So, I turned to content creation, where AI can whip up blogs, videos, and captions faster than I can open a Word doc. Then came affiliate marketing, because if AI could create the content, why not have it sell stuff too and earn me commissions while I slept? And let's not forget freelancing. I started offering services like copywriting and graphic design. Only now I had a robotic creative genius helping me look 10s more talented. It was like bringing a laser gun to a stick fight. By focusing on these AI-friendly, cash-flowing niches, I wasn't just working smarter, I was letting AI do most of the work while I took the credit. Step 3. Selecting the right AI tools. Now came the fun part: assembling my digital dream team. Think of it as casting the Avengers, but instead of superheroes, I was picking AI tools that would hustle around the clock without needing snacks or bathroom breaks. First, there was ChatGPT, my content wizard, brainstorming buddy, and copywriter, all rolled into one virtual genius. Then Canva stepped in like the Picasso of design apps, helping me whip up sleek graphics and scroll-stopping social posts with zero design degree required. For turning words into eye-catching videos, Pictory came in like a movie director who doesn't yell, "Cut," every 5 minutes. To give those videos a professional polish, Murph AI became my voiceover artist, smooth, clear, and surprisingly human. And just when I thought I was maxed out, DeepSeek AI joined the squad, giving ChatGPT a run for its money with similar skills, but at zero cost. With this lineup, I wasn't just working efficiently, I was basically running a full-blown media company from my laptop, powered by robots with unlimited coffee. Step 4. Creating content at scale. They say content is king, but with AI in my corner, I was basically running the royal court. Once I had my tools lined up, I went full content machine mode, no caffeine crashes, no writer's block, just pure digital magic. I kicked things off by tossing trending keywords into ChatGPT and watching it churn out more ideas than a brainstorming session on energy drinks. From there, I let ChatGPT write entire articles and scripts faster than I could blink, while I sat back like an overpaid creative director. Canva took those words and turned them into scroll-stopping visuals that made me look like a graphic design prodigy. Pictory then swept in, morphing my scripts into sleek videos worthy of a mini documentary series. To top it off, Murph AI gave my videos a smooth, professional voiceover that made it sound like I had Morgan Freeman on speed dial. With each step automated, I was not just creating content. I was cloning myself into an entire media squad, reaching more people in a week than I used to in a month. Step 5. Monetizing the content. Creating content is like cooking a delicious meal, but monetization is when you finally get paid to serve it. This is where the fun and the money really begins. I started slipping affiliate links into my blog posts and video descriptions like Easter eggs. And every time someone clicked and bought something, cha-ching, I got a little digital paycheck. Then I uploaded those same videos to YouTube, turned on ads, and suddenly, cat videos weren't the only thing making money on the platform. On top of that, I moonlighted as a freelance wizard on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, offering AI-enhanced services that made me look like I had a small army of creators behind me. Clients were thrilled, I got paid fast, and the AI never asked for a coffee break. Step 6. Tracking and optimization. Once the content was out in the wild doing its thing, I put on my detective hat and started crunching numbers like a caffeinated accountant. I tracked likes, shares, and comments like they were stocks on Wall Street because, in a way, they were the currency of attention. If a post was getting ghosted harder than my gym membership, I knew it needed tweaking. I followed every click on my affiliate links like a hawk, with a spreadsheet, figuring out what made people spend and what made them bounce. I compared revenue streams like a reality show judge. Content creation, you are safe. Freelancing, you're in the bottom 2. With every bit of data, I refined my strategy like a digital chef perfecting a viral recipe. Optimization became my secret sauce, and trust me, it tasted like profit. Step 7. Scaling up. Once I had my money-making machine humming like a well-oiled robot, it was time to go big or go back to microwaving budget burritos. Scaling up felt less like hustling and more like playing chess with an army of AI-powered pawns. I brought in virtual assistants, my digital dream team, to handle all the little stuff like posting content, replying to comments, and pretending to be me at 2 a.m. while I slept like a baby. Then I automated everything I could using scheduling tools, turning content distribution into a set-it-and-forget-it operation. The cherry on top. I started exploring new niches like a digital Indiana Jones and dabbled with different content types. Blogs, reels, videos, even a podcast or two. Suddenly, my once tiny income stream turned into a full-blown AI-powered income river. Tips for success. If you are looking to ride the AI money train long-term, you have got to stay sharp and stay curious, because this tech changes faster than fashion trends on TikTok. I made it a habit to regularly poke around new AI platforms like a kid in a candy store, testing out shiny features and seeing which ones could give me an extra edge. But no matter how fancy the tools, I learned that quality always beats quantity, because no one sticks around for clickbait fluff, not even your mom. Each piece of content had to pack value like a digital punch to keep my audience coming back. And speaking of the audience, I treated them like VIPs. I replied to comments, cracked jokes, answered questions, and built a little tribe of loyal followers who actually cared. Turns out, showing up and being human is still the best AI hack out there. If you found this video even half as helpful as my AI army thinks it is, smash that like button like it owes you money. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more digital gold on how to turn Wi-Fi into wealth. And hey, drop a comment if you've got questions, or just want to say hi to the robots running my empire.